tired of paying too much for your CRM? Open source platforms in this case are what you might be looking for. And when it comes to open source CRMs, both Odoo and vTiger are quite capable, while both are powerful and free to own. Which one is right for you? In this video, we'll break down the key differences, so you can choose the CRM that fits your business best. Let's get started. First impressions matter, so let's start with the user interface. When you first log into vTiger, you're greeted with a helpful Getting Started guide that walks you through the initial setup. This is a nice touch that Odoo doesn't offer, which leaves you to explore on your own. At first glance, both platforms look relatively simple and clean. However, vTiger's recently updated interface feels a bit more modern and polished, with a clear, intuitive layout that uses line art icons and intelligent use of whitespace to make the screen easy to navigate. It organizes its main functions like contacts, leads, and deals into a navigation menu on the left-hand side, which is a very traditional and familiar layout for a CRM. Odoo, on the other hand, presents you with a dashboard of applications. Each function, like CRM, sales, or inventory, is a separate app represented by a large, box-like widget. This modular approach is central to Odoo's design, but it can feel less like a dedicated CRM and more like a collection of separate tools. While both are easy enough to navigate, vTiger has a higher ease of setup, and its focused design gives it a slight edge in terms of initial look and feel for a user who is specifically looking for a CRM. Now that we've seen how they look, let's dive into managing contacts. In Odoo, contacts are managed through a dedicated contacts app. This app serves as a central address book for all other Odoo applications, whether it's sales, purchasing, or accounting. You can create entries for both individuals and companies, and the contact form allows you to store a wide range of information, including sales and purchase settings, accounting details, and internal notes. It's very functional and deeply integrated into its own ecosystem, which ensures data consistency across your entire business operation. vTiger takes a slightly different, more customer-centric approach with what it calls the One View. When you open a contact record, you get a 360-degree historical view of their entire relationship with your company. Every interaction, deal, support ticket, and document is linked and visible in one place. This makes it incredibly easy for a sales rep to get up to speed on a customer's history without having to jump between different modules. vTiger also makes it simple to import contacts from various sources like CSV files or even directly from emails. vTiger's One View design is more aligned with what users expect from a dedicated CRM, which makes it more efficient for daily sales activities. Once you have your contacts, the next step is to find new prospects and manage them as leads. Both platforms offer essential tools for lead generation. In Odoo, you can automatically generate leads from your website's contact form or by setting up a dedicated email alias for your sales team. Any email sent to that address creates a new lead in your pipeline. Similarly, vTiger Open Source allows you to create web forms to capture visitor information and supports email-to-lead functionality. When it comes to managing those leads, the process is quite similar. You can track their status, assign them to sales reps, and convert them into opportunities once they are qualified. However, there are subtle differences. vTiger provides a bit more structure around lead management out of the box, with features designed to help you track and nurture them through the sales funnel. For a business focused purely on a streamlined lead management process from the get-go, vTiger feels slightly more equipped. Both platforms offer a Kanban-style pipeline view, which allows you to see all your opportunities organized into columns that represent different stages of your sales process. You can easily drag and drop deals from one stage to the next. In Odoo, the pipeline is the central feature of the CRM app. It's clean, highly visual, and you can customize the stages to match your company's specific sales cycle. From an opportunity, you can directly create a quotation using the integrated sales app, which then can be converted into a sales order, and finally, an invoice. This easy integration with other business functions is Odoo's biggest strength, creating a fluid end-to-end process from opportunity to payment. vTiger also provides a powerful and customizable pipeline where you can track deal progress, schedule activities, and get a clear overview of where every opportunity stands. While both are very capable, Odoo's tight integration between the CRM pipeline and its sales and invoicing apps creates a slightly more unified workflow. A CRM is only as good as the insights it provides, which brings us to reporting and dashboards. This is where we see one of the most significant differences between the two platforms. vTiger comes with a dedicated dashboard that you can customize with various widgets. You can add charts, key metrics, and lists to get a quick snapshot of your sales performance, active deals, and team activities. Its reporting tools allow you to create detailed pivot and chart-based reports from your CRM data, and you can even schedule reports to be sent to your email. Odoo, by contrast, does not have a dedicated customizable dashboard module in the same way. The main screen is a dashboard of all your installed apps. It isn't designed for deep KPI tracking. The reporting in Odoo is done within each module using what it calls pivot and graph views. These are powerful for filtering and analyzing data, but they lack the centralized, at-a-glance dashboard experience that vTiger offers out of the box. To get a similar dashboard in Odoo, you typically need to install third-party apps, which can add complexity and potential cost. For this reason, vTiger is the clear winner when it comes to built-in reporting and dashboard capabilities. So let's compare apps and integrations. This is where Odoo truly shines. Odoo is not just a CRM. It's a full-fledged enterprise resource planning, or ERP, system. It comes with an incredible number of free, first-party applications. You get inventory, manufacturing, purchasing, a website builder, project management, and basic invoicing, all for free and all integrated. This means your CRM data flows easily into every other part of your business. The focus is on providing an all-in-one solution. vTiger, on the other hand, is more focused on being a powerful CRM. Its extensibility comes from its marketplace, which features hundreds of extensions developed by its community. While many of these are paid, there are free options available to add new functionality. However, its core strength is not the breadth of its own applications, but its ability to be customized as a CRM. In terms of free, out-of-the-box functionality, Odoo's massive suite of integrated business apps gives it an unmatched advantage if you're looking for more than just a CRM. Building on that last point, let's look at some of the other valuable features that come for free. With Odoo, the list is extensive. You can manage your warehouse stock with multi-step routing, create and track manufacturing orders with bills of materials, manage your entire purchasing process, and even run a full e-commerce store from the same system you use to manage your sales leads. It's a complete business management package that you can host yourself for free. vTiger also brings some unique value beyond core sales functions. Notably, it includes a help desk module for managing customer support tickets, which allows you to convert emails into tickets and track them to resolution. It also features a customer portal, allowing your clients to log in and track their own support cases. Furthermore, it has a capable inventory management system that lets you manage products, vendors, and price books, which is essential for creating quotes and sales orders. While not as expansive as Odoo's ERP suite, vTiger's inclusion of a help desk and customer portal is a very compelling offer for service-oriented businesses. After a thorough breakdown, it's clear that the best CRM depends entirely on what a business needs. However, For the specific purpose of being a standalone, feature-rich, open-source CRM, vTiger has the upper hand. It offers a more polished user interface, stronger contact management, and far superior built-in dashboard and reporting tools. Odoo is an unbelievably powerful all-in-one business management suite, but its CRM module feels more basic compared to vTiger. We recommend you try both to see which one fits your business best. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.